Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's guide is about learning batch rendering in MidJourney. This is the 6th lesson in our MidJourney video series. If you're just starting, it's a good idea to watch the first 5 videos first to understand the basics before moving on to today's topic. Batch rendering is a powerful feature that allows you to execute multiple prompts in a single command. Let's dive into how it works. The basic format for batch rendering in MidJourney is to enclose the different elements of your prompt within curly braces. Each option within the braces should be separated by a comma dot like this: option 1, option 2, option 3. Press Enter. When you press Enter, a message will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to imagine 4 prompts from the template time travel mission?" MidJourney seeks to reconfirm your request. If everything is correct, click Yes to generate the image. In this example, MidJourney will create 4 distinct images, each representing a different style of a time travel mission. I'm using turbo mode so the image generation process is quick and we get the results rapidly. The speed depends on the server used. Note that this bracketed option functions only in turbo or fast mode. I'll provide you with a list of example commands for batch rendering in MidJourney. These commands will help you explore a range of visual concepts. Let's go through them one by one, starting with basic variations. This command will generate images depicting a sunset, a sunrise, and a moonlit night. Secondly, we will look at combining elements. Imagine prompt, forest, beach during daytime, nighttime, press Enter. Creates images showcasing a forest and a beach during both daytime and nighttime. This results in 4 unique combinations. I will include more examples in the video description for those who are interested. Please check the description of this video for additional information. In this video, we've explored MidJourney's batch rendering. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a message in the comments.